I'm not done yet. Once we build that upper area with the fountain and the boy fishing out of the bronze statue, and build this pond, and through here a nice advanced filtration system with all the bells and whistles, we're going to jump to this side and we're going to build a wall starting here, and we're going to come over around and stop over there. We're going to build this all up, a wall, and then we're going to have a nice big couple waterfalls here coming down to a shallow area and make it disappear at the walkway and make it look like they connect. So we're going to do that, a big limestone boulder wall, and then cascading waterfalls will stream through there, make it look like it connects to a bigger pond here, all color changing lights. And then over here, I believe we're going to either do a freestanding gazebo or we're going to do a big end of day one. No big, huge surprises except for the major electric line going underneath the pond, the existing pond that was there. So we're going to redig it, and we're going to go ahead and go deeper to a 3.5 for our gravel grid. And then tomorrow we'll have all of it enlarged and ready to go. The upflow bog will be here. We'll have the statue. Like I said, one of the vaults will pump the statue with the fountain. And then this is, we're getting ready to dig our final 3.5 foot depth. So this is our nice ledge that we're going to set our boulders on. And then we're going to hopefully get this all dug out today and ready for a gravel grid and liner and everything, all the fun stuff. Here's your pro tip of the day. Do not use sod staples, fabric pins, crap like that around your pond. They just turn into like metal shards of liner killer. So do not use those around your pond. Just after lunch, looks like we're about done to the bottom here. We got our shelf around the coping stone. We're gonna finish this little section. Leaves. These guys are gonna put down this heavy duty felt underneath our liner. Time for gravel. Okay, guys, are cleaning up our plywood highway. We've got our air assist cleaning ring laid in place. So behind all that rock work, there's this 5/8 air hose, and every foot there's a hole in that, and air rises behind those rocks and pushes the organic debris and out to the gravel grid. Blah blah blah. So there'll be a T right there, go up into our mechanical area for our air pumps. So that'll be that. And we have our air tube is down there, just buried just a little bit. So we'll put an aerator disc right there to help push debris out of that corner. And then the skimmer will pick up all the floating debris. So we got the coping stone done all the way around here. We got started on setting these. This will be the waterfall area here. I think we'll be able to work on that tomorrow. Get that all done. This coping stone is ready for some little edge treatment here. And then we're going to finish that little edge over to there. And then waterfall to the bog. Edge treatment going down. Get ready for our lights. Fish cave going in now. I guess it's move-in ready. Come on, let's do it. Build it, they will come. Even before you finish. Skimmer's in. Penetration's done. 3-inch lines are in. Drain line is in. The bog slash statue area going to be ready to go tomorrow. Got a couple boulders set. Got another waterfall rock set. Build this corner and start up that way and that way. Maybe 2 days left. A little muddy, a little rainy, but we got water in the pond. Good to go. Waterfalls are starting to take some shape. My guys are doing great, filling in, building some waterfalls up, getting ready to set that statue pretty quick. It's going good. We're gonna run these lights around the perimeter, do some edge treatment. Yep. I knew there was a lot of leaves in the pond. That's why it's kind of brownish, murky. I had about 5 inches of rain in the past couple days, and I never did get my overflow put in, but it's kind of settled down pretty good. So we will work on that part when it dries out, and then we still have to drain the pond one time to go ahead and clean it out, and then refill it. It's looking pretty good though. Yep. Okay, what's up, what's up, what's up? You can see our air assist cleaning ring. We got a test run going all the way around the perimeter, the base of the rock work. The very bottom is air assist ring, 5/8 weighted tubing, air tubing. So it's behind all the rock work. And yeah, it's how it pushes debris up and out and gets it either to the skimmer or into the gravel gridlet. It gets digested. So lights are going to be non-operational, but at least now we can fill it back up without having to worry about the lights or anything else. Just got to keep it clean. Still got a bunch of leaves, and I don't have the net, but that bad boy will take care of it. So put the lights down, the ultraviolet light and the pump station little cabinet is in. So there was a problem with shipping, so my little pump for this fountain will be in tomorrow. But we're gonna go ahead and keep moving materials while it's still semi-dry. So keep moving. Our overflow is in. We have our conduit down. We'll put our outlet here and plug our 2 pumps in right here. We've got a bed going in here, mounted area with some boulders and some gravel. Working on the overflows over there and the drains. And our electrical trench will be buried shortly. And we're starting to fill. So by the end of the day, this will be refilled and back to running. Not always fun and games. So I think we got a leak. And I'm gonna suspect that it's still, well, I fixed this bulkhead fitting. You can't see that. But this one is not right. It's cockeyed. It's not sitting flush against the housing. It's just either it's settled badly or my guy didn't keep it flush when I tightened the nut. Ah. So hopefully that's all it is. Well, we got all that done. That edge is all finalized. We got a little mulch along that edge there. Some nice fine topsoil brought in. Graded that off. We've got all the edge treatment done on this one. All I'm waiting for, I got to order a lid, skimmer lid, artificial rock lid. And then the electrician has to come so we can finalize these power lines. This little bed's ready for some plantings and whatnot. And then we've got a good rock supply stashed here. Everything's graded back there, drying out. And this will be the next big waterfall, and a nice big waterfall, and another big waterfall. But it's scheduled to rain 3 inches. So we got it all buttoned up. So my final configuration will be like this, and we'll recess those down where they need to be. I'm going to put a half block here in front and then bring the liner up here, and then the waterfalls, the two fast falls up there. Still out here working, guys. Just built that pond, now we're building another waterfall. What's up, Instagram? Wintertime is inevitable, but check it out. So, of course, we've had leaves blowing in. We got a big pile of leaves over there. And I'm sure the skimmer's full. Electrician's supposed to be out this week, so hopefully we get that buttoned up. And then we've got our Atlantic vault going in with our double waterfall up there, coming down with the upper stream down into this area here. So it's going to be dialed. Waiting for the guys to get here. See ya. What's up, Instagram? Look at, they got the 3-inch lines in, or we do. We got them plumbed into our vault. Those are all our blocks are in there in our pump vault. And we're gonna get ready to put in a nice little splash basin. A couple nice big, huge fast falls with T9000 pumps. Nice and gushing water coming out of there. Be fucking flowing fine and dandy, baby. See ya. What's up, Instagram? So we're starting the back wall there. You gotta put a layer in and peel it back and put some nice soil, compact it. Put another layer on, build that up. Get ready for our 2 big fast falls. They're set up on there. This will be the main bottom waterfall coming into the stream that'll connect the pond. So it'll look like it's coming down through here in the rapids. I'll put a little bit of bib liner to get that water to come over towards the patio here. I just put a little flat piece of liner in there and foam around the edge. All that water will just stay up there until it gets to the edge and then disappear. So see ya. What's up, Instagram? We are at the top. We're going to camouflage those lids tomorrow on the top of those fast falls. We'll finish a little bit of edging treatment in the front here, a little more here. We'll fill our larger rock in there with some gravel in there. And then we'll button up this corner. That side's almost buttoned up. And then we will be working our way out of here tomorrow. So this is going to come down 2 waterfalls, a big waterfall there into a little stream. It's going to look like it connects in here. So we got this water feature working away. Fucking lane. What's up, Instagram? It's Saturday, and I'm working a little bit because it's nice and sunny and warmer. So check it out. The electrician hasn't been here. So I had to plug in extension cord. So there it is. There's the pond free system. We'll get some gravel in here and bring that water up a little bit further towards the edge. And then once this is all running, looks like it joins in underneath the sidewalk. But got the color changing lights in from Anjon. Little 3 waters. Got some of those in. Got the waterfalls in. We'll finish up this job Monday. And then once the electrician is done, we'll have everything running. What's up, what's up, what's up, Instagram? Check it out, second stop of the day. We got waterfall, pond, aerator, pond free system. Check it out. It's dialed.